December 26, 2004. A day the world will never forget. A massive 9.1 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Sumatra, triggering one of the deadliest tsunamis in history. Towering waves reaching up to 30 meters devastated coastal regions across 14 countries. Over 230,000 lives were lost in minutes. Entire towns were wiped out. This catastrophe reshaped disaster response worldwide. Today, improved warning systems stand as a reminder. Nature's fury is unpredictable, but preparedness can save lives. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing stories.